Shalom, I am Rebekah and welcome to my home. I have a little trick here for you if you're trying to clean your oil menorahs. So we just got done with Hanukkiah and I have some oil menorahs. I have actually an oil menorah, 7-branch one, but I also have an oil Hanukkiah. This one I got from Israel and it's lovely. I just really like this. It was forged by an Israeli artist, and I like to support judo when I can. So I bought this many years ago, but something that I've never figured out how to do is actually to clean it, because when you use it year after year with oil, so I fill it with olive oil every single, Hanukkiah, and we burn oil in it, and it's just, the residue is awful. It's sticky. It's just nastiness, and it feels like, when you put your hands on here, it feels like pitch actually. And over the course of the years, I've been trying to figure out how to clean this thing without using chemicals, because I just don't like using chemicals on things, but it is so sticky. I've just kind of wadded, paper around it or a towel and put it away until next Hanukkiah, and then I think, I'll deal with it next Hanukkiah. Well, this Hanukkiah, I'm going to deal with it. And so I talked to my husband, and he's like, well, you probably have to use paint thinner or something like that to cut this grease, because I tried everything. I tried, scrubbing it with water and soap and all that stuff, and it just didn't get it all off. There's still this residue that I just don't like. So I started thinking, yuck, it's everywhere. I started thinking, what do I do when my hands get pitch on it? I pitch on them, and my kids get pitch on their hands. Well, I run to the refrigerator and I get butter. Yes, butter. And you rub a little butter on your hands, on your fingers where it's sticky, and the pitch will go away. You can also rub your hands in dirt. I know that for a fact too. That can help it to be less sticky. But here's what I decided to do. I decided to try butter on my Hanukkiah to try to get this oil stuff off. So this is my little butter craft. I'm going to take some of this butter, and I'm going to take some on a paper towel, just like that. And I am going to I did these two already, so these two totally feel wonderful, but I'm going to do this third one here, or this one. Let me do this one. I haven't done this one. This is so sticky, and then it gets sticky all the way down here. So I'm just going to take this butter and I'm just going to rub it on, just like I would if, we had sticky hands at home from pitch. So I'm going to rub this on, rub it all the way underneath. I love this menorah, this Hanukkiah. It's just beautiful. But I just have been so frustrated with how to clean it without chemicals. I just don't like chemicals, no? I want to clean this without having to use chemicals. And this actually is a really great trick that works really well. And I'm going to take a clean one. You could use a rag too. You don't have to use paper towels. And then I just polish it. Whoops! That's where I put my matches there. Whoops! More matches came out. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I'm just so excited to clean my whole menorah like this. So it's nice and ready for a Hanukkiah next year. But I just never could figure out this until now. I just love that. Look at that. Nice. And now I don't know if it would work on something that's plastic. This is metal, so this definitely works on metal. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Nice and clean and ready for next Hanukkiah. How lovely. So anyway, I just thought I would share my little trick with you to show you how I have figured out how to clean my sticky oil menorah. Now, I don't think they did this in the tabernacle or in the temple back then, but this works well for my own little tiny oil menorah. Yay! So I'm going to be able to put this away in my box now. If you like this video, please like it and then subscribe to my channel. I got lots of cool things coming in store for you, but that would be great. And then leave a nice comment and tell me how you clean your menorah and your candles, your candle menorahs too. That's a trick as well. I lay those on foil, put them in a low heat oven, but maybe you have a different way, so let me know. So you have a wonderful day, and see you next Hanukkiah. Bye bye.